how to remove metadata from video. So if you want to remove the metadata from your video, then there is a way. What you can do is first check your internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, you can open up your Google, your browser, anything that you are comfortable with. So I'll be here with my Google. And once you open your Google, now go for the search, and you need to search for metadata remover. Once you've searched for the metadata remover, here you will have all of the websites that will provide you the metadata remover. So you can simply go for any one of the trusted websites. So I'll be going to the first one. Once you tap on that, it will have this kind of interface where you can simply tap on choose a file, and you can choose your file from your camera, or you can also go with your media picker and you can upload image from your albums or from your gallery. And once you've choose the image, then it will automatically remove the metadata, or it will automatically give you the metadata right here, and tap on get my file clean, and once you tap on that, your metadata will be removed. So that's how you can remove the metadata from a video or from a photo. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.